Here we have a 2017 BMW 330i. It's got the 2.0 turbo engine in it. We just did the rear muffler delete. Did a nice split tip out to a dual 3-inch tip there. Took the active exhaust valve and tied it up out of the way. You got to do that and leave it intact there, or you're going to get a check engine light. A nice 3-inch pipe there, nice clean job there. Did a mid resonator delete, but left the factory cats alone as usual. Got one off the turbo and one in the rear. But it'll give a little rumble. That's what the customer wants. Should wake it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Sounds a little cleaner now. Definitely woke it up. Sounds pretty good.